All right, here are solutions to perfect problem 4 for Math 65. We're given a huge mess and asked to use polynomial long division on it. Okay. Oh, and given this hint that the remainder should be 0. That's nice. So we got x squared minus 2x plus 3. And up top here we got 3x to the 5th minus 10x to the 4th plus 18x cubed minus 13x squared plus x plus 3. Okay, so the way we are going to attack this problem is by first figuring out what we'd have to write up here so that when we multiply it by this guy, we'll get a 3x to the 5th. So since our biggest term here is x squared, what we'll want is 3x cubed, because 3x cubed times x squared is 3x to the 5th. And 3x cubed times negative 2x is negative 6x to the 4th. And 3x cubed times 3 is 9x cubed. So now what we got to do is take this and subtract this. 3x to the 5th minus 3x to the 5th is nothing. Negative 10x to the 4th minus negative 6x to the 4th is negative 10x to the 4th plus 6x to the 4th, which is negative 4x to the 4th. 18x cubed minus 9x cubed is 9x cubed. And we'll bring down this negative 13x squared. And now we repeat. So what do we write up here so that when we multiply it by x squared we get negative 4x to the 4th? That is negative 4x squared. Negative 4x squared times x squared is negative 4x to the 4th. Negative 4x squared times negative 2x is positive 8x cubed. Negative 4x squared times positive 3 is negative 12x squared. And now we subtract again. This goes away. 9 minus 8 leaves us with 1. Negative 13 minus negative 12 is the same as negative 13 plus 12, which is negative 1x squared. We bring down an x. And what do we put up here? So that when we multiply it by this guy, we get an x cubed. That is an x. X times x squared is x cubed. X times negative 2x is negative 2x squared. And x times 3 is 3x. And I subtract again. Negative 1 minus negative 2 is negative 1 plus 2, which is 1x squared. 1 minus 3 is negative 2x, and then I bring down this 3. And so what do I put up here to get rid of the x squared? It looks like a 1 will do the trick. 1 times this is x squared minus 2x plus 3. And sure enough, when you subtract here, you get exactly 0. No remainder, that's a good thing, which means my answer is this thing up top. Probably okay to just leave it like that. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that. So that's the end of the perfect problem.